What's up, everybody? Nick here on the Griddle Food Network, where we take backyard barbecuing to the next level. If this is your first time checking out the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button so you get all the notifications of all the great cooks we do on the channel. On today's episode, we're doing a copycat recipe from the Meat Church channel, the Armadillo Eggs on the Blackstone Griddle. Griddle up. Armadillo eggs, the ingredients: you need bacon, ground sausage, jalapenos, cream cheese, and a seasoning of your choice. The seasoning I'm going to use, Mrs. Dash, Southwest Chipotle. I enjoy this. With the cream cheese, what I do is I take it out, a block of cream cheese, I take it out, and I put it in a bowl, and I just let it soften for about an hour or two before I'm going to use it. I add the seasoning, the Southwest Chipotle seasoning, and then I mash it up. Now, I've already made 3 of the 4 armadillo eggs that we're going to be griddling up. This is what it's going to look like when it's done before it goes on the griddle. You see here, they're nice. They're wrapped in bacon, packed ground sausage. The jalapenos are stuffed with cream cheese. So I'm going to do a quick demonstration on how to build your armadillo eggs. I'll also be using the easy Kabob Maker instead of pushing out the meat. God, this makes me laugh every time I say that. We've got it packed with the cream cheese, so I'll be able to put the jalapeno right here and actually use the easy Kabob Maker as a cheese filler on my jalapeno. So let's get started. First thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and cut the end off of the jalapeno. Now I'm going to take a spoon, and again, this is a copycat recipe from the great channel Meat Church. I love that channel. I really enjoy it. Look for different things of how can I do that on a Blackstone. This is one of them. Take the end of a spoon, and we're just going to core out. We're going to core out the jalapeno here and get all the insides out. All right, that's good. So now we've got our jalapeno. It's cored out. I'm going to use the easy Kabob. I've already got this pre-packed with the seasoned cream cheese. Set it right here, so I'm going to line it right up, and hopefully we can got enough left over. If not, there we go. You can see that. All right, let's see if we can get a little more out of there. And it's nice, easy. We ran out there, so I had a little extra, so I'll just finish it off right here. But earlier today, I filled the other 3 up with this. It was fantastic, nice and clean. Put this guy over here. All right, so this is packed nicely with the cream cheese. So now I've got ground sausage, just regular Publix ground sausage. So I'm going to take it, and so far 1 pound of ground sausage will, if I can use this and this, it'll be 1 pound will do 4 armadillo eggs. So I'm going to put this here, and we're going to go ahead and start packing the meat all around the jalapeno. And we want to get this nice and covered as best we can. Try to get it to where it completely encapsulates the jalapeno. Okay, so now 2 end caps of bacon. So I'm going to put 1 here. I've already got it pre-cut. There, and we're going to do the other one right there. Normally it can take 2 pieces of bacon to completely cover this, so here we go. 1, there's 1, and this is just regular bacon. It's not thick cut, center cut, nothing special. with the wonderful prices of bacon these days, we're just going with the $6.99 pack and what's on sale when we can get it. Because, hey, let's go, Brandon. So let's get this right over here. And now you have a ready armadillo egg. We'll put this over here. Boom. 4 armadillo eggs ready to go on the griddle. Our griddle top is getting nice and hot. We're over 400 degrees. I'm going to use this style baking rack. Normally I have my my Blackstone warming rack. I prefer this one for this type of cook. So it's going to be low setting. I'm going to set it right here in the middle. Once I get over 500 degrees, I'm going to turn my outside burners off, and I'll leave the 2 interior ones at high. I'm going to give this just a light spray here, just for a little non-stick action. While we're doing that, we got a new addition over here in the Griddle Dojo. So it's ice cold, it's lovely. It may not be what you like, but a little cold Mick Ultra is always good. I enjoy that. So let's see, here we go. Armadillo egg number 1. Armadillo egg number 2. So I've got my timer set. We'll check them in about 12 minutes. Then we'll flip them. So it's right here. Blackstone extra large basting dome. So we're just going to basically go ahead, cover that, hit our start, try some cold beer. Cold, excellent, very good. So again, we're going to let this for 12 minutes. We're going to let the heat from underneath just cook the bacon so everything cooks. We don't want to overcook the bacon too fast and the sausage doesn't get cooked enough. We don't want that. So we're going to let the heat rise up, cook these armadillo eggs. I'll flip them in about 12 minutes, then I'll set them back under there for about another 12 and we'll check them later. To finish the cook, what I'll do is later, I've got this great Hughes barbecue sauce. Now this is sugar-free. I did this in one of my episodes a while back. I think it was the smoked chicken lollipop style. I just fell in love with this. It is so good. You would not even know this is sugar-free. So we'll baste these when we know they're done. Then we'll cover them again and just let them caramelize for about 10 minutes. And then we'll chop them up and give them a try and see if we nailed it. So again, we'll let this go. I'm going to enjoy some beer, and we'll be back when the buzzer goes off. So we're just under 5 minutes before we pull this, check them, and give them a flip. I just wanted to share with you guys the social media platforms that the Griddle Food Network is on. Obviously YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. And now we are up and running on Rumble. All can be found at Griddle Food Network, at Griddle Food Network. So check us out, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Rumble. And I just want to say, I know it doesn't seem like a big deal to a lot of people, but we just went over 600 subscribers here on YouTube, and I really appreciate that from all of you. All the views, all the likes, the comments left below, everything's positive, everything's really just kick-ass, so I really appreciate that. Thank you. Get a nice little refill here. Oh, caught by the bell. Okay, first 12 minutes is up. Let's go ahead and take off our dome here and take a look, see what we got. Wow, those look lovely. Now see here, this is a mistake here. I should have put a toothpick through, that way it's sealed. But these look great. Everything's cooking evenly, so we're gonna go ahead and just give this a flip. Oh yeah. That's fantastic. Be careful here so it doesn't. All right. All right, let's go ahead, top back on. Hit our timer. 12 minutes, drink some beer, and I think we'll be ready in another 12 minutes to go ahead and get them basted. If you like what you see so far, smash that like button. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think so far. Let me know if you think, yeah, armadillo eggs, that's totally what's up. But love hearing back from you guys. Boom, our timer's off. We've gone 24 minutes. Time to take a look and check on our armadillo eggs. Let's see here, get this ready. Okay, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to turn these burners all the way down to low. And here we go. Let's take a look, see how we did. Oh, yeah. Look at, oh, and we got blue lights. The dojo is surrounded by a perimeter of blue lights. That's always great when they come on, when we're rolling. These are fantastic. I mean, look at this. See that cream cheese? Oh, yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip these one more time, the last time. And I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to baste these. I'm going to baste these with the Hughes original barbecue sauce. And then we're going to cover them for 10 minutes, let them caramelize, and they should be ready to go. Okay, these are set. We're going to throw these under cover here, let them caramelize, and 10 minutes, boom, we'll get it done. Smash that like button. Leave your comments below again. Love to hear what you guys think. And in 10 minutes, we're diving into the armadillo eggs. Our buzzer has sounded. So let's take a look. About halfway through the final 10 minutes of just caramelizing, I just turned the griddle off. So all the heat captured here in the basting dome, I just let that finish off the armadillo egg roll. So let's take a look. Oh, yeah. Oh, those are beautiful. Wow. Oh my God, these are going to be so good. I wish everyone could come over and hang, and I could make tons of armadillo eggs for everybody, and we could just like hang out by the pool. But I guess that's not going to happen on this episode. But one day we'll have a Griddle Food Network open house, and you know, come hang out in the dojo. Man, these are awesome. All right, I'm going to get these on the cutting board. We're going to let them cool down. Then we're going to cut them open, take a look, try them. I'm sure they're going to be delicious, but we won't know until we get to try them. The armadillo eggs look absolutely amazing. 4 of them. I cannot wait to try these. Again, I did make them last Sunday for Football Sunday when the great Tampa Bay Buccaneers took care of the Miami Dolphins. Yes, I understand. All you football fanatics, I know they can't stop anyone. But they did stop the Dolphins, and a win's a win, and we'll take it. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to slice right into this one here. I got cheese spurting out. We got meat. Wait, it's the Griddle Food Network, and what do we have?
We have the meat.
Damn right. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Look at that. You got the cream cheese. The filling is in there. Sausage is cooked perfectly. Bacon. Oh, my Jesus. Whew. Whew. Let's go ahead and see if I can get a little sliver. And that's really hot. The sauce is good, but I knew the sauce was good. So we're just gonna have to do this. We're gonna have to do this fat boy style here. Here we go. Let's see. Armadillo egg. Meat gods, thank you. Meat church, thank you. That's absolutely fantastic. Look at this. We got, yeah, sticky fingers. This is great for football Sundays. Great any day. Any day that ends in a Y, you should make these. You can taste all the flavor. The seasoning on the cream cheese, that's really what does it. You've got the kick from the jalapeno. Nice sausage. Again, if you want to even really up the heat, you can go with a hot sausage. a hot ground sausage and choose that and add more flavoring to that and a little on your bacon if you choose to, which it's all about creating at the Griddle Food Network and in the dojo. But these are fantastic. I hope everyone gets a chance to try these. They're very easy to make. They're not that expensive minus the bacon. Thank you, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon. But we'll leave it at that. I'm Nick. This is the Griddle Food Network. We got armadillo eggs. I really appreciate y'all watching. Griddle up.